For example, it's me Tenzin Onchu. Today I will share you how to image a multi-OS in a single pen drive with the help of software named called vendor software. And vendor software giti gachi bemo se watching and vendor software giti machi di OS model OS model this gara pen drive china machi di bootable josupla hema biochin machi pen drive resina and OS resina boot josupla like and Windows 7 gi pen drive Windows 8 gi Windows 10 gi Windows 10 gi then the password breaker Nanzumbe ngachi pen drive flash ada bago na hema biochin Nanzumbe pen drive flash ada bago na hema biochin te datu biochin vendor gi and software disugara image bebe ngachi single pen drive na install basically. So let's begin. Open the Google Chrome, type www.vendor.net. The vendor homepage will pop up. If you don't find the homepage, don't worry, I have shared the link below my videos. You can click that link and you will pop up to the vendor's page. Now click to download. It is only 12.4 MB. Download process is going on, so it will take some time. Okay, my download has complete. Now let's open the vendor software. To open, first we have to extract the vendor software. Let's extract. Click to extract all and then open the vendor software. Insert your pen drive. I have insert my pen drive. It is 16 GB and click to install. This will install a vendor software to your pen drive and it will take some time to install the before clicking to install. You have to know that the vendor software will automatically delete all your documents, so please don't forget to backup your documents. I don't have necessary documents, so I will continue so I will continue my process. Press yes to continue. Okay, now our vendor software is installed to our pen drive. Our first step is done now. Let's move to our second step. Our second step is that we have to copy all the iOS window to our vendor software pen drive. Our next step is we have to search for iOS. I have downloaded some iOS windows to my laptop, so I will open that. We don't have to do anything, just copy and paste only. The iOS is copying to a vendor pen drive. It will take time now. Okay, it's done. Let's check whether the pen drive is working or not. On the laptop na try beta once. Pen drive software. Pen drive the connect baby. Announce me on ventoy.exe touching a image PMT and this in Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, Windows 10 install. Now also Windows install pe masih watching. Ni second video ni next video na zina sejuni na. Tini video na watching na also Windows install pe sejuni na. Kadin channel.